Welcome to day 1 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see an easy heart motif. For this I am choosing a red color yarn. You can choose the color you wish for. Now you should begin with a magic ring as shown in this figure. Now I am doing a magic ring. This will look like this. So once your magic ring is done, align the tail part with the working side. So now you can start with the 3 chain stitches. Here the three chain stitches are equivalent to 1 double crochet. So 3 chain stitches are done. Now you can do 3 double crochets into the magic ring. Now you should do 3 half double crochets into the magic ring. Now to make the tip of the heart, you should do 1 chain stitch, 1 triple crochet and 1 chain. So now almost half of your heart is done. In this stage, you can pull the tail end to make the shape. As this is a symmetric shape, you should do 3 half double crochets and followed by 4 double crochets into the magic ring. Now I am doing 3 half double crochets. Now I am again pulling my tail end to make the shape better and continuing the double crochets. To finish this, you can make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now pull the tail end till this gap becomes null. Now you can leave the required amount of yarn here and cut off to finish. So now you can put a tight knot here connecting the tail end . So once this is done, you can hide this yarn by using a needle. So you can insert like this, and on the back side of your motif, just insert it as much as into the loops. So now do the same thing on the other side as well. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side as well. So once this is hidden, then you can cut off the excess. cut this by very close to the hidden region so that it won't show off. Now your easy heart motif is ready. You can use this as a bag charm or phone charm as well. Thank you for watching.